Ever wondered what's really going on with drugs in schools? Today's topic is serious but incredibly important. Drug peddling and abuse in high schools and most Kenyan neighborhoods are becoming a huge problem. It starts with peer pressure and curiosity, but quickly spirals into addiction and chaos. Students are getting addicted on substances like marijuana, heroin, and even synthetic drugs. The impact: academic performance drops, health deteriorates, and futures are shattered. But it's not just the users who suffer. Families are torn apart and communities face rising crime rates. So what can we do? Awareness is the first step. Talk openly about the dangers of drug use. Schools need to educate students and provide counseling services. Parents, it is crucial to stay engaged in your child's life and know the signs of drug abuse. Remember, it's not just about saying no to drugs. It's about creating a supportive environment where teens can thrive. Stay informed, stay connected, and let's work together to unmask and beat this crisis. Thanks for watching.